In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive sync problems. Sync issues in OneDrive can interrupt your workflow and prevent your files from updating properly across devices. These problems can happen for several reasons, but the good news is that most of them can be resolved with a few simple checks and adjustments. To begin, make sure your internet connection is stable. OneDrive relies on a continuous connection to sync your files, so if your connection is weak or interrupted, syncing may pause or fail entirely. Once your connection is stable, check the OneDrive icon in your system tray to see the current sync status. This icon can show whether syncing is active, paused, or experiencing an error. Next, open the OneDrive menu by clicking the cloud icon and review any error messages that may appear. These messages often provide helpful information about what is causing the issue, such as file conflicts or storage limits. If syncing appears to be paused, simply resume it from the same menu. Sometimes syncing stops temporarily due to system settings or manual pauses, and resuming it can immediately fix the issue. Another important step is to ensure that your OneDrive account is properly signed in. If your account has been disconnected or requires re-authentication, you may need to sign in again to restore syncing functionality. You should also check your available storage space. If your OneDrive storage is full, new files will not sync until space is freed. In that case, consider removing unnecessary files or moving them to another location. If specific files are not syncing, check their names and formats. Files with unsupported characters or very large sizes may cause syncing errors. Renaming the file or reducing its size can help resolve the problem. Restarting the OneDrive application can also be effective. Close the app completely, then reopen it to refresh the syncing process. This can clear temporary glitches that may be preventing proper operation. In some cases, reviewing your sync settings can help. Open the Settings menu and check which folders are selected for syncing. If a folder is not included, it will not update on your device. As a final step, make sure your system and OneDrive application are up to date. Updates often include fixes for known bugs and improve overall performance. And that's it. You now know how to fix common Microsoft OneDrive sync problems. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.